Hello YouTubers! In this video I will present the unboxing of DeepCool's Matrexx 70 PC case and the reasons I choose this case. I will start with the later one. The reasons are pretty simple. For my new PC I choose DeepCool's CPU water cooler, the Castle 360 ARGB. And same the logical step to use a DeepCool PC case to make sure the water cooler's radiator will fit inside easily. I had another constraint as well. I was looking for a case where the radiator can be installed on the top of the case and not on the front. My next constraints were to have low noise fans and decent looking design. Finally, I did not want to spend more than 100 euros on a PC case. In May 2022, when I bought this case, it was 90 euros. And here is the PC case. This front panel is made of glass and is removable. There we got 3 fans. I like its minimalistic design. Let's remove these protective foils. Here on the top there is a mesh. This is supposed to be a kind of filter. A dust filter. It's a magnetic mesh, so you can simply just attach to the PC case. This side panel is made of glass too, so one should take care how to handle it. Another protective foil. And there is another mesh, similar to the previous one. You may attach it behind the front fans here. Over there is the place for the radiator. There is a chassis fan. That's the place for the power supply. And there are the cases for the hard drives. And let's have a look at the back side of the case. Okay, at the top side of the case, where we have got the buttons, power button, reset button, USB ports, mic and headset jacks. I have to admit, the more I look, the more I like this case. Let's have a look at the cable management side. Here we are. And this is the place where you can fix all your cables. Some screws, zip ties. That's the place for the hard drives, for SSDs. Some of these cables are USB, some from the fans, some from the LEDs. This is a circuit for driving the fans, if I'm not wrong. And now let's have a look at the bottom side. There we got another mesh, removable towards the back side. Oh no, that's not good. In the front side should be removable. This, I believe this is a design mistake, but I will handle it. And this is the PC case with all the parts and components installed. That concludes this video. The force might be with you.